Hey, Zach Pack. Welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. And there they are, the OnePlus 6T in Thunder Purple, and this is the Midnight Black. There's also a Mirror Black. I don't have it here. Actually, I had it for a short time and I forgot to film it, but it basically is a glossy version of this. But look how this Thunder Purple just shimmers, and it's kind of dark at the top and then kind of goes purple down below. We've seen a lot of purple phones this year, and this is probably one of the more subtle looking ones, if you will. It's not as mirror finish, you can't see your face in it, but the way that it catches the light and the way it looks, especially with some of the accessories, it looks great. Speaking of the OnePlus 6T accessories, let's take a look at a few of them. This is the sandstone case right here, and you can see it's very basic. It's just a shell basically, but you have that nice sandstone finish on the outside there, similar to how the original OnePlus, the first phone, the OnePlus One, came out that had that finish. I like it because it doesn't pick up fingerprints, and it gives some grip and some unique look. Obviously, you can still see a little bit of the color kind of poking through there where the camera hole is. You do have a nice raised lip going all the way around, so it does raise the phone up if you decide to put it flat down. Next, let's talk about the silicone case here. If you're familiar with other silicone cases from other manufacturers, very similar. Again, you got kind of that texture, rubbery type grip there. You have a raised lip going all the way around, and it looks quite good. It is quite thick though, so it will add some thickness to your OnePlus 6T. But again, it looks very good, looks very premium. My next favorite is the nylon bumper right here, and it's a little bit thicker, but it does have a very unique look to it with this kind of pattern look here. You have the OnePlus logo there done in white. Again, you got clicky buttons on the side. Again, you have the raised lip going around there to raise the phone up on a flat surface, and it does enhance the look of your OnePlus 6T. Next up is going to be the carbon fiber case. Now, I was a big fan of this one at first, but the way that the material on it kind of picks up the oils on your fingers and whatnot may not be, it may be something that you may not like at all, but it does have a really unique look, and it does add some grip to it. It is thinner and lower profile, so you're not going to get as much protection as the other cases, but again, you have a raised lip going around there that is going to protect the phone, and overall, it does enhance the overall look. It is just a basic shell. It is still a very good looking case. And lastly, we got the flip cover right here. As you can see, when you open and close the flip cover, it does activate the screen on or off. You do have a single pocket on the inside, which may be good or bad. I mean, basically you can throw a credit card in there or debit card. Maybe your room key for your room, as long as it's not one of those room keys that's going to get erased by touching a cell phone. I wish there was a little more room in here, maybe a side pocket to put some cash, but overall it does give a very nice premium look and feel to your OnePlus 6T. It's a very soft touch type material. You can see the stitching going all the way around here. And if you're not a fan of screen protectors or just want to have kind of your phone out in the open there, this is a great choice because of course you've got the cover right here that is going to protect your phone, and overall looks good. You got the camera module there that's recessed just like all the other cases there, and will protect your phone just fine. Now, would you like to win a OnePlus 6T? Here's what you guys are gonna do. I want you to head over to zach.link/ZachGiveBack2. The link is down in the description there, here on the screen as well. Go ahead and click that, read about the information on my Patreon page, how you can enter to win a OnePlus 6T color of your choice. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the content here. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section there. You're a part of my Zach Pack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.